Hey guys, today I am trying Phantom Bride from Belching Beaver. This was actually a collaboration with the Deftones, 2016 I believe, about 2 years ago. This was actually very limited, and I think you could only get at the brewery at that point. But now it's becoming year round. This is 7.1% hazy IPA, so the hops in it, I believe, are Amarillo, Citra, Mosaic, and Amarillo, Citra, Simcoe, and Mosaic. So all the really what they call these days sexy hops. So really hazy. I've tried this a ton of times, and this, in my opinion, has been actually one of the better hazy IPAs. And the hops kind of tell it all. I mean, you can't really make a really good IPA with just the hops, but these guys made a really delicious one. 7.1% alcohol. Aroma? Ah, okay. Juicy, citrusy, orange, some tropical fruit in there, but really good. A little bit of a must to it, but as it opens up, you get more of the fruit character that comes out of the hops. So, on the taste, cheers. Yeah, this is really good. This is like epitome of a hazy IPA. So very smooth all the way through. Slight dryness on the back end, but juicy all the way. Yeah, you get like citrus. In the mid palate, you get this like kind of like a sweet tangerine, kind of like a semi-sweet tangerine, and then it kind of dries out on the back, but still kind of juicy. So it's very subtle dryness. Very delicious. This is one again, in my opinion, is probably going to be one of the better hazy IPAs. Really tasty. Check it out. Cheers.